Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more tech insights. Today, we're exploring OakNorth, https://oaknorth.co.uk, a name you might be hearing more and more in the financial technology space. But what exactly do they do? Let's dive into their online presence and uncover the specifics of their operations. Navigating to their website, we're immediately presented with a clean, modern design, indicative of a forward-thinking organization. This first impression hints at their focus on innovation and technological prowess. OakNorth's primary focus, as revealed on their site, is on providing tailored debt finance solutions. They're not your average lender, though. They specialize in serving growth businesses, offering bespoke financial products structured to meet the unique needs of each client. This personalized approach sets them apart from traditional banking institutions, often hampered by rigid lending practices. One of the key elements highlighted on their website is their commitment to data-driven decision-making. They leverage advanced analytics and proprietary technology to assess creditworthiness and tailor loan terms, promoting responsible lending and minimizing risk. This reliance on data allows them to offer more flexible and agile financing options, empowering businesses to scale and achieve their growth objectives. Furthermore, OakNorth emphasizes its experience and expertise in various sectors, suggesting a deep understanding of market dynamics and specific industry challenges. This sectoral knowledge allows them to provide not just financial support but also valuable insights and guidance to their clients, fostering a true partnership approach. So, while the website offers a streamlined overview, it becomes clear that OakNorth represents a new breed of financial institution, blending technological innovation with personalized service to meet the evolving demands of modern businesses seeking growth capital. Exploring further, you'll find details on their global reach, demonstrating their expanding influence within the financial ecosystem. This expansion underlines their success and solidifies their position as a key player in the alternative lending landscape. Finally, OakNorth also emphasizes transparency and responsible lending practices, building trust and fostering long-term relationships with their clientele. In a complex financial world, this commitment to ethical conduct is more valuable than ever. So, if you're interested in learning more about innovative financial solutions for growing businesses, definitely take a closer look at OakNorth and what they have to offer.